Unlocking the mystery of Eyes Like a Raven's, a deep dive into imaginative English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and literature. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words: eyes like a raven's. This expression is a beautiful example of how English can use imagery to convey deep meanings and emotions. So, let's unravel the mystery together and discover why this phrase is so compelling. When we say someone has eyes like a raven's, we're diving into the world of metaphorical language. Ravens are birds known for their intense black feathers and sharp, piercing eyes. By comparing someone's eyes to those of a raven, we're not just talking about color. We're alluding to the depth, intensity, and possibly the mysterious or wise nature that those eyes convey. It's a way to describe someone's gaze that is captivating, enigmatic, and profoundly expressive. To fully appreciate this phrase, it's important to understand the raven's place in various cultures and literatures. Ravens have been symbols of mystery, intelligence, and even prophecy in many myths and stories across the world. For instance, in Norse mythology, ravens are associated with Odin, the god of wisdom and knowledge. In literary works, such as Edgar Allan Poe's famous poem, The Raven, these birds are depicted as omens or messengers from another realm. This cultural and literary backdrop enriches the phrase, eyes like a raven's, suggesting not just physical appearance but a connection to these deeper, symbolic meanings. In English, using such vivid imagery can add depth to your descriptions and help paint a picture for the listener or reader. You might use eyes like a raven's in creative writing to characterize someone with a particularly intense or enigmatic presence. It's also a great example of how English allows for creative expression, enabling speakers to convey complex ideas and emotions in just a few words. Eyes like a raven's is more than just a description of color or appearance. It's a gateway to a world of imagery, symbolism, and emotion. Through phrases like this, English language and literature invite us to explore and express the richness of human experience. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and depth of English language imagery for you. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of English together.